Hello and welcome to another bullet journaling video. I'm Laurel with Laurel Creates and I do videos every week. So jumping right into it, this week we are setting up the weekly the weekly for this week. I'm sure there's a more eloquent way to say that. I don't know. I can't get there today. So I wanted to do something a little bit different. So this week, instead of doing a bunch of doodles or drawings, I actually printed out a few things and cut them out using either an X-Acto knife or a pair of scissors. And I am pasting them into my bullet journal with my Tombow mono adhesive. I also use some washi tape in this spread, and overall I really love the look of it. I want to do more spreads like this. Problem is I want to get a better printer. That is one of the reasons I haven't yet set up an Etsy store or anything like that, is because in order to make higher quality prints of things, I really need a better printer. So right now my color printer works for just doing little stuff like this, adding in cute pictures to my bullet journal, but it's not enough of a good quality to actually sell things. I don't think you can tell in the video, but there's definitely issues with the printer. Anyways, I really love this style of bullet journaling where it's kind of pasted together in this scrapbooky feel. And I think it works perfectly for my kind of cozy November theme. I wanted to find pictures that used the same kind of tones and had the same types of colors that I was using for my theme this month. So I printed out a bunch and I like to format them in a way so I am wasting as little paper as possible. And so I have pictures for this week and next week printed out already, which is great. I also had to do some pen testing, and unfortunately that first marker really was bleeding through, so I didn't feel comfortable using it, which is why I have a pen test page, because that's stuff that I need to figure out. And then for my events and weekly to do, these are actually new things I haven't used on a weekly before, so I'm interested to see if this will get me to use the weekly a little bit more efficiently. We'll see. So I just did the same thing that I've been doing throughout the month, putting just some kind of haphazard lines, making it look like a little bundle of sticks, and then I kind of planned where I wanted all the days to go with my pencil. So I am not one of those people that's just comfortable going in with a marker willy-nilly. I spell things wrong that way, put days in the wrong places if I do that, so I always map everything out with a pencil first. And I usually do this off screen. This week I didn't, because I didn't know exactly where I wanted to put the pictures, and I wanted to do that on camera. Now I'm using this metallic marker to write out the days, and yeah, you can actually see it drying on camera. It gets a lot shinier as it dries. It's really quite funny. But I really enjoy how this spread looks. It really inspires me to do more spreads like this. It was so easy. I end up doing some doodles around the days of the week, but other than that, I didn't do much other than cut some stuff out for this page. So it probably took me just as much time as, you know, drawing everything out would have in the long run, just like searching for pictures on Pinterest and then formatting it and then printing them out, and I was having issues with my printer. So it probably took just as long, but it gives such a different effect and I love it. It's very warm and cozy, very fall, even though it snowed today. You know, just I want it to be very warm tones, cozy theme, November. And I keep looking back at my cover page to kind of reference what little doodles and flowers I used on that. So that's why I keep flipping back and forth, is because I can't remember what it looks like if I don't flip back and forth. And overall, these little doodles are so easy. They're really simple, pretty much just like lines and dots and scribbles, which is perfect for days when you don't feel like doing a whole lot. And I'm just using all the same markers that I've used for this month. I keep them in a little bundle so that I can remember exactly what markers I'm using. I do that every month just to kind of keep everything together and keep everything cohesive, so I'm not losing track of, oh no, what brown did I use, and having to go find it, which unfortunately leads to my stuff being quite unorganized in the end. Like my drawers and stuff are unorganized because they're not like color coordinated, they're in like groups. But you know, you win some, you lose some. And that's it. Super simple, really easy. Thanks for checking it out. Leave me a like, do a subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. All right, bye.